create this for our mindful memes community, which is here. And I just decided to record the process so you can literally see how a dum-dum like myself with no coding, no Web3 familiarity whatsoever can quickly and easily create NFTs that are designed to cultivate a community, attract an audience, and build real rapport and relationships with folks in my entrepreneurial orbit. All right, so I'm just going to go to Mint right here. We're going to select a file. We're going to select this picture here because that's what I was just about to mint before I decide to record this process. I am going to write a name for the collectible, which I am kind of somewhat flexible on, to be honest. I've created a ton of these for this particular collection already, but I'm going to call this Only Here, Only Now. So I'm typing with my left hand, so just bear with me for a second because I'm holding this broken mic with my right hand. So my typing is going to be a little slow. Okay, so there you have it. Only Here, Only Now. This was a piece of art created using Midjourney, and I'm going to paste in a whole the collection content, which is below this line. So be here now, be someplace later. Is that so complicated? This is a quote from David M. Bader. I don't know who that is. I like the quote though. And below this here is the entire description of all of the art in this particular collection called Mindful Memes, right? So it says our Inner Space collection features art and inspiration at the intersection of mindfulness, mental health, magic, mystery, psychedelics, and self-transcendence. And then below, mindful memes are for the inner peacemakers, the cosmic consciousness connoisseurs, the ethereal explorers, heroic healers, meta mercenaries, trippy hippies, spiritual seekers, business bodhisattvas, inspirational artists, and enlightened entrepreneurs. All right. I took that actually. This is all of the pieces in this collection. This is the last piece that I created a couple of days ago. As you can see, 18 of 18 were claimed. It was free. And, essentially this is just the text here that's in every piece of the collection. So there's consistency. This here above are the individual, usually a quote or something like that, and a title, right? The title of the piece, a quote, and then the art, and then the collection below. All right. So all of these are pieces of digital art that also have bonus content, which is a piece of printable wall art, high resolution wall art. So everyone who got this digital JPEG also gets a printable wall poster, piece of art that if they want to hang on their wall as part of this series, they can, their office, etc. All right, as you can see here, I put that in each piece, limited edition, digital collectible, pictured, printable wall art, art as pictured, printable PDF. All right, that is consistent for every piece in this collection. Let's move back to this here. So it makes it really, really easy. I'm going to make this, I'm going to make the collection supply, I don't know, I'm going to call it 20. All right. I'm going to, actually, I'm going to make it 18. No real kind of, strategy there other than I'm slowly but surely making a little bit more supply for each piece that we publish. The last one was 18. It sold out. The previous ones were, 12, 10, numbers like that. They also are all claimed. So pretty much I'm fairly certain in this particular community, because folks are now following this collection, this should sell out. And again, it's free. I'm just trying to cultivate a community around this art that I can then correspond with, email, talk to, etc., as we launch our tiny book about publishing platform. All right, let's mint this. And it's being minted right now, as you can see. Done for now. And let's go into my notifications. Within Uncut, that is the platform that I'm using here. to mint the NFTs. So you can see I now have 110 followers. I'm following 22 people. I'm not really doing anything other than publishing, NFTs, digital collectibles, and then these folks are, pretty much jumping on board this new collection and following for each new piece that we mint. All right, let's see. There it is. It's been minted, and generally what I do next is I'll take this piece that's been minted. I will get a copy for myself. In this case, there is no printable wall poster because it's not really something that I wanted to, add a extra PDF or bonus content to. I just wanted to offer the digital collectible in the interest of time and speed. So now one has been claimed. That's me, right? So I refresh this. Oh, two holders. So someone else has already taken it. So this is what I was just telling you. People are paying attention now to the stuff that I'm minting, and this person here already has claimed this in like seconds, right? So they got an update in their feed that I've minted a new piece of art, and obviously, as you can see, that dude or whoever that is has already grabbed this piece. You can see some of the other art in this collection here, posters and things like that. And what I'll do next, and I'll cover this in another video, is I'll notify the entire community in my own feed that this new piece is available. I'll link to it so folks can see what it is. I'll describe the collection, and that's it. And I'm just basically copying the same content, each time, just making the change in the title and the quote, if there is one, and, posting that in my main feed, which again runs on Uncut, and it's all here. All right. Let's see if anyone else has minted that. Nope, just one person so far. This is 412 on 10/30, 2023, and I guarantee you that, I don't guarantee anything. I surmise, I anticipate that lots of folks over the next couple hours will have claimed this as well, and the collection will be gone. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm publishing this on YouTube, and you want to grab this digital collectible, feel free. If it's not relevant to you, don't, and you just want to learn how to do this, well, you now know how to do this. So there's nothing that stops you from minting art on something like Midjourney and then using that to cultivate a community. If you're an author, a teacher, an artist, somebody who's creating content and courses and community, this is really a fantastic way of really kind of having your audience evangelize for you, in the sense that, people get excited to add art to their collection. And if they think that ultimately the stuff that they're collecting from you has value, if they're going to actually spread the word and build buzz for your brand, for your business, for your art, for your ideas, for your entrepreneurial, intuition, etc. And it's just a really nice kind of harmonious relationship that you can have with your fans, your followers, and your fellow creators. Okie doke. I'm going to do another video in a second. If you're interested in seeing a little bit of promotion of this particular piece, again, I'm a dum-dum when it comes to this stuff. I'm certainly not claiming to be a fantastic artist either. This is, done via AI. The other things, though, that I've done, have been things I've created. Like this was not AI. Here, this I created. These were all done in Canva, but just a really nice experience to start creating this sort of thing over the course of a week or two, and really starting to see. You can see all these people following me. Again, not because I'm doing anything special, just because people are appreciating the art and the value. All these people, purchased or claimed that last free piece. It's just a really nice, kind of rewarding process if you're a creator to actually incorporate this approach into your business and your brand. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. I appreciate you watching. As always, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.